What's up guys, this is Joey of YugaTech here at Computex 2019 and this is our hands-on of ASUS flipping new flagship smartphone, the Zenfone 6. The company has definitely come a long way in terms of designing its phones. Even last year's Zenfone 5 series is no match for this one. Up front we have an all-screen design that is always refreshing to see in this world of notches. It's a 6.4-inch IPS Full HD Plus display that looks pretty sexy with those ultra-slim bezels, but wait, where's the front camera? Aha! As you guys might have seen elsewhere, the rear cameras double as the front cameras as they flip over from the back 180 degrees. Now this isn't the first time we've seen this idea, we actually saw it pretty recently with the Samsung Galaxy A80, though what sets the two apart is the actual mechanism, how it moves. But internally, the Zenfone 6's cameras come with more functions such as motion tracking and adjustable angles, which is very useful for a wider variety of shooting. Now this looks really cool, especially in person, and because the rear cameras double as the front cameras, you are guaranteed awesome selfies. Just yesterday, DxOMark rated the Zenfone 6 as having the best selfie camera score. But what I'm personally not sure of is its durability, as with any motorized smartphone components. But when we do get our hands on this thing for our full review, we shall see. Anyway, moving on to the rest of the phone, we have the power and volume buttons on the right, along with a dedicated Google Assistant button that, by the way, can be remapped to other functions in the settings. On the left, a SIM tray with slots for 2 nano SIM cards and a dedicated microSD slot. And below we have the headphone jack, very nice, the USB Type-C port, main microphone, and speakers. Now for audio, the phone actually comes with stereo speakers with support for DTS-X Ultra. Now at the back, it's strange to see that for a flagship in 2019, we still get a physical fingerprint scanner. I mean, they're more reliable, don't get me wrong, but we could have expected an in-display scanner. For specs, we get the latest Snapdragon 855, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, up to 256 gigs of internal storage, a huge 5000 mAh battery with Quick Charge 4.0, and for software we get Zen UI 6 based on Android 9 Pie. Also, ASUS launched the Zenfone 6 Edition 30 in celebration of the company's 30th year anniversary that packs a more unique design as well as 12 gigs of RAM. But overall, I really dig the Zenfone 6's new look and design thanks to that gorgeous all-screen look, the flipping cameras, and the super premium feel. It lacks a few things that other flagships have, like a QHD screen, in-display fingerprint scanner, IP water and dust resistance, and wireless charging, but it will likely perform the same regardless thanks to the powerful Snapdragon 855 chipset. Now guys, this is already coming out to be one of my favorite phones from this year, and if it's yours too, be sure to stay tuned for our full review. So thanks for watching guys, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and visit YugaTech.com for more Computex 2019 coverage. This has been Joey, and I'll see you in the next one.